Today I got a new package in the mail that I wanted to show you. This is the Spurtles kitchen tool, and it comes with 3. There's different packages that I've seen, but the one that I tried is from yolike.com, and I'll put the link below so you can see it on Amazon where I got it from. But it came with 3 different Spurtles, and let's see. So as you see, they're sealed. I'll need to wash them before I use them, but let's see what they feel like. So this is the one that has the slots in it, and from what I've seen of other users, you can use this if you're draining a pot and put it on the edge, and you can drain and use it as a sifter there to keep from losing what's inside your pot. So if you're draining pasta or something, you could have it on the edge and pour it off. The thickness is a little thicker than I thought it would be. It's tapered at the tip here, and then it's a little thicker here at the handle. So it should be sturdy and shouldn't break easily. It feels very, very strong. I don't know if you can see. I can't even get it to wiggle, so it has no flexibility to it at all. It is curved a little bit. I don't know if you can see that part. And it should work well getting into the edges of pans. I'm going to use this to make a stir fry in a few minutes, and I'll link that video as well so you can see what I do with that. So that's the first one. The second one is the same size from what it looks like, and has the same feel to it. It is just solid. So the 2 here you can see are the exact same size. The handles are similar, everything else. It's got some weight to it. So so I think that'll work really well for cooking chicken in the frying pan, things like that. So I'll try that in future videos as well. And then this is the one that I think I'm going to use today for the stir fry. And it's a little bit smaller, and what I'm thinking is I could use it for cooking, and I wanted to see how strong it is. Yeah, that's just as strong. It's solid. A little more tapered at the tip than the larger ones are, just because it's smaller to begin with. But I think that would also work for scooping things out of jars and things like that too, and maybe even as a spreader. It is curved. I don't know if you can see the curve here. It's tapered and curved at the tip here, so you could scoop a little bit with that. But I think that's going to work well for this frying pan to do my stir fry. So that's the 3-pack of the Spurtle from yolike.com. And again, I'll put the links below to the Amazon site where I found these. And if you try these or have certain recipes that you use them with, I'd love to hear what you have to say about them. Thanks for watching.